Hello students, today we will see about sector. First of all, what is a sector? Area between two radii is called sector. Suppose we have a circle and this area is called area of sector. This is arc length. Now we will see formulae. Arc length is equals to alpha upon 360 into 2 pi r if this angle is theta, and area of sector, this will be alpha upon 360 into pi r square. So students, there are two formulae. If we have to find arc length, so we will use this formula alpha upon 360 into 2 pi r. If we have to find area of this sector, so we will use here alpha upon 360 into pi r square. Students, our question number 1 is find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeter if the angle of the sector is 60 degree. Students, we have made here a sector, correct, and angle is 60 degree, radius 6 centimeter. Now we know very well area of a sector, this is theta upon 360 into pi r square. The value of theta is 60, this is given here, and radius is 6 centimeter. So area, this will be theta upon 360 into pi r square. The value of theta, this is 60 upon 360 into pi, 22 by 7, and radius, this is 6 square. Now we will solve it. 6 6 is 36, and this will be 0 0 cancel out, and 6 6 is 36. We have got here 1 upon 6 into 22 by 7 into 36. Now we will cancel this 36 by this 6. 6 6 is 36, in numerator 22 upon 7. We will do multiply of 22 into 6, so we will get here 132 upon 7, or we can write it 18 whole 6 upon 7 centimeter square. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. You can see in this figure. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 centimeter, find the area between two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. Students, now r means radius of the umbrella. This is given here 45 centimeter. Theta, this is 360 upon 8, because we have 8 ribs here. 360 upon 8, so we will get here 45 degree. Area between two consecutive ribs of umbrella, this will be theta upon 360 into pi r square, because this is a sector, and area of sector, theta upon 360 into pi r square. The value of theta, this is 45 upon 360 into pi, pi will be 22 by 7, into r, the value of r is 45, so we have written here 45 into 45. After calculating this part, we'll get here 22275 upon 28 centimeter square, 22,275 upon 28 centimeter square. Find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Students, you can see here we have a circle, and we are dividing this circle in 4 equal parts. So this one part is called quadrant, correct? Now circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, and this 2 pi r is given here. 2 pi r equals to 22. We will solve this part. 2 in the place of this pi, this is 22 by 7, into r is equals to 22. The value of r, this will be 22 into 7 upon 2 into 22. 22 cancel out. The value of r will be 7 upon 2 centimeter. Area of a quadrant, this will be 1 by 4 pi r square. 1 by 4, the value of pi, this is 22 by 7, into r, this is 7 upon 2 whole square. 1 by 4 into 22 by 7, the value of 7 by 2 whole square, 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. After solving this part, we'll get here 77 upon 8 centimeter square. Means area of this colored part, or area of a quadrant, will be 77 upon 8 centimeter square. Students, the length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Students, we know very well, in 1 minute is equals to 6 degree. So angle swept by the minute hand will be 30 degree. 6 5 is 30, and value of radius is equals to the length of minute hand. So r equals to 14 centimeter. Area swept by the minute hand, correct? Area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes, this will be equals to area of this sector. So area of sector, this is theta upon 360 into pi r square. The value of theta, this is 30 upon 360. The value of pi, 22 by 7. R, this is 14 into 14. After solving this part, you'll get here 154 upon 3 centimeter square. Means area swept by the minute hand will be 154 upon 3 centimeter square. A brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 millimeter. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown in the figure. Correct? Now find the total length of the silver wire required. Number 2, the area of each sector of the brooch. Students, you can see here we are using silver wire for making this brooch, correct? And there are 5 diameters or 10 radii: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, correct? So how much wire will be required to make this brooch? First of all, we know very well diameter of the circle is 35 millimeter. So radius will be half of the diameter. Radius will be 35 upon 2 millimeter. Correct? Now they are saying the radius of the circle is 35 millimeter, and we have to find how much wire will be required to make this brooch. So first of all, we are using wire in the circumference of the circle. So what is circumference of the circle? 2 pi r. After solving, the value of pi, this is 22 by 7 and r 35 upon 2, correct? Now 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 7 5 ja 35. After doing multiply, you'll get here 110 millimeter. Now length of 5 diameters. The length of one diameter, this is 35, and 5 diameter, 35 into 5, 175. So the total length of the wire, this will be 110 plus 175. So this will be 285 millimeter. Correct? Now the area of the sector. You can see this colored part. This is area of a sector. So area of a sector, this will be theta upon 360 into pi r square. The value of theta, this is 36 upon 360 into pi, this is 22 by 7, and the value of r, this is 35 upon 2. 35 upon 2 whole square means 35 into upon 2 multiplied by 35 upon 2. After solving this part, we will get 385 upon 4 millimeter square, means this will be the area of the sector, and the total length of the wire will be 285 millimeter.